I want to start sharing few of the rules I've been following for a while when making music. Few of them were created by try and error methods. Others by working and learning with tons of great producers. A few more by exploring the net and tutorials or when studying production in my 20s. All of them tested before implemented. I hope some of the info helps you a bit. Disclaimer: these are my rules, not the rules. Use it, improve it, or trash it. Tip 1. We used to start making a track by guessing the elements the genre needs instead of deconstruction a couple of references objectively. Then we end up with more sounds and layers, making the track hard to be mixed and mastered. The rule that I apply here is less is more. Starting the process by writing the number of elements I can easily hear in a couple of tracks of the genre I'm about to produce. I try to focus on the rhythm and the sound design of each element. Write down, make a list. If it's usually more than 10/12 elements, recheck. As soon as I have something clear, I start digging through my sound library and synth options for a first selection that will probably refine later in a new session. This particular job is also called pre-production, getting the right tools and elements before starting making beats. The intention here is not to copy the references when I start making the track later, but to put a limit in a certain way to make the process easier.